Hello everyone and welcome to the construction site. There's a dump truck coming today, so let's unload it straight away. We have a new worker today, but let's do a roll call first. The twin T1, T2, Karen,
Hello.
Pam,
What's up?
Ripley,
Yep.
Cleveland,
Morning, ma'am.
Knobmaster 68.
It's noob, not knob.
Sorry, noob. And I'd like to also welcome to the team, young Scotty.
So what am I doing today?
You forgot your hard hat.
What do you mean I forgot my hard hat? Everybody else is wearing one. But it's my lucky hat. It's red. I like red.
Anyway, we're about to get a truck delivery.
Really?
You're just dumb stuff in the middle of the road. Hey.
Hey, everybody go.
Hope you had your week, Bix.
Now we have to put together the construction fence. So there are 6 fences and 8 bases. Now let's get lifting.
These are really heavy. Has to be an easier way. I know. Let's lose TV magic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many bases was it supposed to be?
8.
Oh, that's right. 8. Now let's count them out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay!
Hey, Scotty, can you help T1 with the safety cone? Thanks.
So we have to count out 4 safety cones.
Okay. Hey, that looks like a witch's hat. The safety cone. It's more like a witch's hat. Hat!
4 safety cones.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah.
Now, because you don't have a hard hat and safety comes first, you have to go get the bulldozer. Get the medium bulldozer.
But I don't have a car.
Well, just take the bus.
Oh, okay. Wrong way. A lot of people do nothing. Sorry.
I'm walking here.
Walking on sunshine. Whoa. It's on the other side of the road. Humpher. To make sure it's safe to cross the road, always look right, left, right again. Come on, kid. Oh, a bit tight. Hey, nice hat. Thanks.
Yo, I'll tell you what you want, what you really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I'll tell you what you want, what you really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want.
That song will never be popular. Now, where's this bulldozer? Oh, I thought it'd be bigger.
Bulldozer.
Big bulldozer, small bulldozer. Big, small, no medium.
I can't take this one back. I'll be laughed at. It's too small. Now that's a bulldozer. Yippee.
The blade goes up and down. Here it is again. Up and down. Isn't that neat? And look, it goes back and forth, tilting. And this thing goes round and round. Must be a track.
There's even a door.
Isn't that cool? But what is this? I don't know. It goes up and down. It clips in here.
Ninja jump.
Ooh, squeaky clean.
Ooh, a hard hat. Matches my shoes. Can't reach the pedals. Now, how do you start this thing?
Push button to start. Okay.
Oh, got awesome powers, this thing. Don't fit. Oh well.
Oh, I do fit.
Woohoo! I made it!
Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. Noob, will you stop trying to be like Tom Cruise and do some work?
I want to speak to the manager. Wow! Woo! Wow!
Oh, Scotty, I said the medium bulldozer, but at least you got your hard hat.
Stop, you fool! Stop!
I got the bulldozer.
Hang on, I'll come down.
Hey, boss, just go park it somewhere.
Okie dokie.
Release the wrecking ball!
Oh, the other backwards. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh yeah, it's wrecking time.
Hi there, laddie. Time to get wrecking.
All right, I want you to turn right. No. Go back. The other right. That's right. Go back. That's it. Come on now, turn right. Come on, turn right now. That's it. Turn. That's it.
Yeah. All right, nice and easy. Drop it down there, lad. A little bit more. Come on, you can do it. A little bit more there, governor. Or a little bit more. Hold it. Let's just lock it in. Go on there, boss lady. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, that's a good bit. Now take it up. Go on, take it up. Nice and slow. Nice and slow there, governor. Come on, nice and slow. Out of the way. Out of boss.
Oh yeah, now it's wrecking time.
Ooh. Ooh. Aye, cool.
Ooh.
Come on, guys. Can't see.
Did I miss something? Huh? What's going on? Oh, I missed the wrecking ball. Ah, humpher.
This is taking far too long. Let's go get the dynamite.
Dynamite!
Or the TNT, whatever it's called.
It's a TNT.
Dynamite!
Look, our budget can't afford the new stuff, so we have to be old school.
TNT, dynamite, TNT. So my wife said I should do lunges to stay in shape. That would be a big step forward.
Safety lady.
Chop. Ah, got it.
TNT, dynamite.
How many dynamite sticks do you count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Safety lady.
Just 1 stick of dynamite. Okay, timer.
I read on the internet you should use as much dynamite as possible.
Tiptoe away, tiptoe away.
Yay, I'm hopping.
No!
Uh-oh.
Kaboom.
Whoa!
Fire! Fire!
What's the number for 911?
There's a fire!
I didn't do it.
Whee! Nothing exciting ever happens here. I love these new chairs. It tilts back.
It's quiet. In fact, a little bit too quiet, actually.
Hello, Firebusters. Yes, of course we're serious. You do? You have? No kidding. Well, just give me the address. Yes, of course. Totally discreet. Thank you.
Ugh, why do they have to put a button on the other side of the building? Ugh, shouldn't have that breeder. Oh, here we go.
We got one!
Wow.
This is a fire alarm. All firefighters to their stations.
There's a fire. There's a fire. Come on, Johnson. Let's go. Get up. Whee!
Hey Johnson, that means you. Forget it. Alright. I'm up. Let's go.
Yeah.
Time to get ready. Got my firefighter's hat. Got my oxygen tank. Oh, looking very snazzy. Oh, look at that. Got my firefighter's hat. And my, wait, it's not a hat, it's a helmet. Oh.
And you shall have my chief's megaphone.
And my fire extinguisher. And my axe.
Will you guys knock it off? Now, where's the fire truck?
I'll be right back.
Get in gear.
Now, Chief, before you say anything, just hear me out, okay?
What happened to the brand new truck that the taxpayers bought for us?
Just open the roof so I can get in. I hate these old models. Come on, lift me up. Let's go. All right. Come on, Sammy.
Hey, wait for me. There's no door. How do you get in?
It's an old model. Use the roof.
Hiya! Oh, all right, let's go. Do. Just waiting for the roof. Okay.
All right. This is what the plan is going to be.
Hey boss.
What is it, Sammy?
I left the oven on.
All right. Let's turn around and go back. We can't have another fire.
Let's try that again. Okay, team. Now that that's sorted.
The wheels on the fire truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the fire truck go round and round, all the way to the fire.
Meanwhile,
Gotta get to the fire station. Ninja run. Ninja run. Run like a ninja. Yeah. Gotta. Oh, it's hard. Gotta get to the fire. Gotta go.
I'm ahead.
No time. Can't go back. No time.
Yeah, no. Not touching that one.
All that running's made my back stiff. Got stood up. Oh, so much better. Whew. All right. Hey, where is everybody? Hello? Where'd everybody go? Hello? I'm here to help. Hello? Yoo-hoo! Anyone in there? Hello? Anyone over here? I'm here to help. Where's everybody? Need to help somehow. Fire truck! Oh yeah. Fire truck!
We have these stabilizer things that come out. Cool. And they even go down. How cool is that? The truck is now stable. It has been stabilized. There's even a pump. You turn this, you see it turns, it goes up and down. Can you see that? It goes up and down. There's even a hose. It goes round and round. Hey, what are you doing in that chair? Don't put that lever. Oh, look, that turns. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool. Hey, when you see something else that's cool, then turning the knob, it's going up. Then it's going down because I'm turning the knob. It's making the ladder. See the ladder? The ladder is going up. It's going up. Going up, and there's the ladder. It's the ladder that goes up, and there's the basket where the firefighter stands, and it goes out. It extends out with this knob that I am turning. It turns. Oh, that's a boring shot. Let's go to a cool shot. Now that's a cool shot as I turn the knob and the ladder extends out. Look how cool that is. There's even a reflection of my hand. You know what this is. It's a siren. But of course, how you do get it in the fire truck? Because you open the door and you see it here. You can see it there. And look, there's even storage.
Hey, that's my lucky red hat. All right.
These doors are bigger than me. Now, how do you get into this thing? Ah, the door, of course. Little help. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh, getting up.
Oh, that's really high steps. Oh, hopping in. Oh, nice and cozy. Oh, okay, shut door. Oh yeah, let's go. I thought I saw a kid driving that truck. I did see a kid driving that truck. Oh, what's that? Oh, gotta go. Oh, come on, hurry up, come on, man. Take the roof off, Come on, gotta go. There's a police emergency. Yep, put me in. Come on, the roof, put the roof on, please. Come on, all right, let's go. Where'd everyone go? I'm not evil enough for that.
Meanwhile.
There's a fire! Where's that, Scotty? See that? It's a fire truck. Let's go.
Wait for me. Hey, where did everybody go? I can't see. Hey, wait for me. Ah, my hat.
Oh, look, a fire.
All right, team, let's get to our battle stations. Johnson, get the truck closer. Sammy, get up that ladder and man that hose. All right, everyone, remember your training.
Okay, things are ready to go. So let's go. Gotta go. Gotta get up and fight the fire. Yeah, on the ladder. Off we go. All right, in position now. Come on, now take me up. Up we go. All right, now extend me out. Right now. Yeah, that's it. Looking snazzy as I go up to fight the fire. This is taking a long time, but okay. Hey Chief, where's the hose?
What'd you say up there, Sammy? I can't hear you.
Do you not understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? There is no hose. No hose up here.
Whose fault's this?
Well, ain't mine. So, we have no hose. What to do? Oh, I see something coming in the distance. Quick, spin me round, turn me round. Come on, spin me round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Fire truck. Oh, fire me. Sorry, excuse me, sorry, excuse me, sorry, coming through, sorry, excuse me, oh, sorry about that, sorry, coming through, sorry. Oh.
I bought the truck.
So goddamn lucky you bought the truck.
Yes, I brought the truck and I didn't.
Listen up, everyone. Let's get this truck going.
Oh, there's a ladder. Oh, okay, here we go. In my seat. There's no water. Hello, I can hear my voice echo. There's no water. Hey chief, my legs.
What do you mean there's no water?
My legs. I can't feel my legs.
You okay, Mr. Firefighter? Mr. Firefighter, you okay?
You have to save the day. You have to save my legs.
Hey, Captain, can you help us out?
There he is. Let's get him. This is a Big 10-4. Calling all units. Need to find the water guy. Stat. We need to find the water guy. Find the water hand.
Boss. So what are you doing later on?
Is that him? Well, he's a hand, isn't he?
Huh?
Gotta go.
Boing. Hello.
Which way's the fire?
To our left. No!
Well, which way's left?
The other way.
Oh, the other way.
Left? Right.
You with the hose. What are you
Turn
doing?
on the
Let down.
water. How do you make this thing stop?
We need help. We need to do something great. If that guy can help, we can help.
Put out the fire. How do you make this thing stop?
Aim the water at the fire.
Let's all count how long he is up in the
Getting
air.
it to the bucket.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's not do that again.
Yay! He made it! That's right, I made it! Yahoo!
Yeah. Oh, the fire.
We need your help to put out the fire. Go get your fire hoses, your fire trucks, and put out the fire with us. We need your help. Did you go get your fire hose? Help us put out the fire. Spray your hoses at the screen. Put out the fire. We need your help.
That's so cool.
That's cool, the fire's getting out.
That looks so cool.
It's working. Great job. Thank you for helping us put out the fire. We're putting out the fire. It's working. Great job. Thank you, firefighters.
Come on, I dare you. No, I dare you to go. Well, you go then. Fine, I'll go. Hey, kid, get away from there. Hey, get away from there. Hey, there's a kid getting near the fire.
Ah! Help me! Help me! Come help me!
Huh?
What's that over there? What are those people over there looking at?
Patty cake, big as men.
Oh, not those two guys. Over there, behind him.
Stay back, everyone. Stay back, everybody. Stay back.
Look, a kid out there.
What? Is there something going behind me? I'm not falling for that one.
There's a kid trapped in the fire.
Come on, nothing to see here, people. Nothing to see.
I can see a kid
Nothing to
trapped.
see here, people. Nothing to see.
There's a kid.
I know there's something going
What about
on.
the kid?
Come on, I'm not falling for. I'm not turning around. As soon as I turn around, you guys are gonna
There's a
sneak
kid.
through.
The kid.
Yeah.
There's a kid behind
I
you.
know you are.
Behind you.
I'm not turning around.
Behind you.
I'm not silly.
Help me. The fire's getting closer. The fire's getting closer. Help. Help. Yeah, I told you it was a bad idea.
Go rescue him! Go, go, go!
Bad idea. Won't someone think of the children?
I'll save you. Gotta help.
Whee!
Some people stare in the darkness, afraid to step into the light.
Scotty.
Some
Where's your
people
hard hat?
need to help somebody when the usher enters inside. Don't you worry, it's gonna be alright.
Oh, look. He's doing it in slow motion. How do you do that?
Wasn't that the guy that caused the fire? You know, too much dynamite.
We have to leave some pothole open. Go, Scotty.
I'll be ready. Never you fear. No, don't you fear. I'll be ready.
Come and get your kid.
Forever and always. I'm always here.
Hey, buddy. Let's get out of here.
Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip.
Yay! But I'm still talking to the manager about this. Karen will not rest until there's justice.
Yep. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yep. Come on, come back and play patty cake. Come on, come back. Yeah. Where are you yelling at? Come on, tell me.
That's noob. Go, Scotty. Woohoo!
Something was going on. Okay. I'm just gonna back away slowly.
Thanks for rescuing me, mister.
That's okay, kid. Glad you're okay.
Yay, you're a hero.
Hey, that's my hard hat. No, it's my hard hat.
Nice work there, young chap.
Hurrah! Go Scotty!
Oh, what I miss? I'm feeling better.
Alright guys, let's not arrest him, but let's do something. So we should, I don't know, I don't know.
Yay, Scotty!
Nice work, kid.
Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Yay! You did it! Woohoo!
Go, Scotty, go, Hi, everybody.
Go, Scotty, go, Scotty!
Go, Scotty, go, Scotty.
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Hooray!
Good person I don't know. Good person I don't know.
Yeah, he still stole a fire truck, though.
What about the fire?
Thank you for saving the children.
Whoa, crazy lady.
Thank you!
Ooh, that was good, wasn't it? Thanks, Scotty, for rescuing that kid. But you're fired. I'm sorry, but construction isn't just for you. Maybe you should look at being a firefighter.
Maybe when he's older, he can become a firefighter.
But I'm 22. Oh, I'll find a new job tomorrow. Promise.